Hey everybody, we are back. It's Backyard Living, and we've got our 2024 July 4th Independence Day Explosion RC car. We have no idea what we're doing, but we're gonna do it anyway. Show for you. Let's get this thing rocking. Ooh yeah! We got a whole bag of pops. We're gonna drop them right into the fire. Right there. Right there. Are you ready, guys? Here we go. Oh man. Let's do this.
Yeah, I was really hoping for that to be more violent.
No. Wasn't what I was hoping, guys. Next.
Man, do I need to get the blowtorch out? Is it gonna drive though? That's the question.
I don't know.
Oh my god. Oh my goodness. What the heck was that? Dude, what is this one? Oh, is this the other thing? Okay. I'm scared to see what this one's gonna be. Dude, it sounds scary. Oh my god. Dude, that's like pretty cool though. I mean, shoot.
Oh, we got blow it up.
Man.
Now you see that? Big old dent now. You guys ready for some intense flame? Here we go.
Oh my god, man.
Oh, shit.
Hurry up. Man, that might be scary. Oh my goodness. Hey, I smell flashback. That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool.
We're in trouble. Go out.
Oh, you're fueling the fire. What are you doing?
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Oh man. Oh my goodness. You better light it. Oh my goodness. Good. Oh, you didn't light them both. Ooh. Oh, it's got some color to it, I just noticed. It's kind of cool, actually. Oh my goodness, that got very scary for its... Let's strap one of them stupid cameras to it. That's a good idea. Oh boy, is this one gonna do anything? Oh yeah, look at that one. That one's pretty cool, actually. Oh man, you're getting close to me, man. Scaring me a little bit. Dude, man, when it starts doing that, it's like... Oh boy, it's the little bit of a bigger box. Wonder what this one's gonna do. You think it's gonna do anything at all? Oh, oh, oh god. Oh god. Oh my god. Why did you stop moving for?
I didn't know what to do.
That was pretty sweet.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
Man, now we just need like...
There's a hole.
I think it'll be fine. What's it do? Astro lighting? Lightning? I don't even know. Man, I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm kind of scared. Oh man. So just... Oh no, man. There's something about it. Oh man! It's hot. I feel it. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh man. I hate to say I was a little zoomed in on that one, but it still was awesome though. Oh man. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, dude. Jeez. Oh my gosh. My goodness. Got the camera out again. Oh man.
Cool as heck, man. I like that. That one was cool though.
Compared to the other one, what's this one really gonna do?
Right.
Oh, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow.
So are you ready for this?
Oh my God, what are
Oh,
you doing?
we got the drone. Oh my goodness, we are ready.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, it's getting dark. A little bit darker. We're almost there. Are you ready? Are you ready for the 4th of July backyard living?
It's not 4th of July.
Oh yeah, that's right. Guys, we're a little bit late. I'm sorry. We're a little bit late on our Independence Day celebration
know
here in
what?
Backyard Living, but
You know what though?
What?
I mean, hey, you know, everyone's all sad. 4th of July is over. Then they get to watch this for a little bit of extra fun, just to get a good laugh, you know.
yeah, let's rock this. All right, guys, here we go. Are you ready for this one? Are you ready? If my lighter works. There we go. All right. Oh, that one's pretty cool.
That was a great one, man.
There we go. All right. Oh, that one's pretty cool.
That was a great one, man.
Nice. That one was cool.
Good, man.
Here we go. Yeah.
My gosh. Dude, wow.
That was pretty awesome.
That was a good one for
that was
sure.
a good one, man. I
Yeah,
like
for
that
sure.
one. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
Boo, dud. I'm just kidding. I don't know what it's gonna do. I don't know what it's gonna do.
That's pretty neat though. Look at that.
That looks cool, actually. Oh! Dude, we got like hit with some, man.
That's it.
You see that smoke ring? That was pretty cool.
Oh, that one's cool. There, here we go, guys. It's a bigger one. Oh, that's cool. Is it? All right, and now for a little sparkler fun action. Here we go. Yeah, yeah.
Whenever it decides to light. Oh man. Oh geez, dude.
It's the sun.
Oh my, I can't even look at it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. It scared me there for a second.
Oh,
Man, it was quick, but they all burned
quick,
so fast though.
That was a nice burn. That's cool. Yeah, a little too close.
My God!
I didn't get you.
God, it scared me, dude. Freaking flashback, man. My God. That was scary. Jeez. I mean, I don't mind if you get close to the camera, just not me.
Oh my goodness, sorry about that.
My God, flashback.
I didn't know I was that. Whoa, whoa, I lost control of him. Oh, hang on.
Uh-oh.
Oh man, he's like, I lost complete control.
That might be a problem. I'm just gonna continue filming and see whatever happens. Oh, it's getting closer to the body. It's getting close. Well, now that I can get up close. Woo. How good is it done? Anytime now.
I don't have to worry about that thing ever,
Oh my gosh.
ever accidentally catching fire, I'll tell you that.
Oh, seriously.
It should be, they're like $1 a piece for these sparklers. 5 for $5.
Yeah, literally $1.
You could do it, I'll put it up some distance sometime. Because I don't even
Oh my goodness.
prepare for a slow burn here, I think.
Yeah, it probably will be.
If it doesn't, I'll relight it.
Sure.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God. Oh my. Oh, we lost one. We lost one over here.
Oh my God. Good God. Well, it got so bright I wasn't paying attention for a second. Oh my gosh. My favorite body destroyed.
Look at it, it's like it's a little bit weird. It was white though.
What's the white from?
I don't know.
Oh my God, the heat from that.
I gotta go find this.
You should strap them all at once.
Super grand finale.
Yeah.
You think this is too many sparklers?
I don't know. There's kind of a lot there. How many is that right there? 2 packs?
There's about... About 17, it's 18.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, just drive. Drive, just drive! I can't see. I'm blind. Dude. Oh my, it's on fire down there.
Fire. It's on fire.
Oh my god, I can't, I see spots.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, look how much it's going. Like, do you smell that?
Oh my god, it smells so good though.
Okay, hang on. Ooh, it's hot. Hot.
The plate is hot?
Yes.
Wish I had a temp gun.
Oh.
I'm scared. Is it too hot?
Ooh, yes, it's hot. The metal's hot. Ooh, I thought you smelled burning.
The metal?
No, the plastic under the metal, I think. No, but... I don't know. I'm a little afraid to do all these sparklers together because it's going to be like as hot as the sun.
I might need to put my sunglasses down.
You might have to.
Seriously. Oh, I didn't realize there was that many.
Oh, you do. I'm scared out of my mind about this.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say right now.
That big explosion.
Oh, I hope that doesn't happen. You need like a crescendo or whatever, or you have like one that was way at the top and slowly went down to it.
Yeah. We need to do that.
You know, ways to. I'm gonna put all weird ones together. I mean, I don't really care.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do this.
Oh, is it a stick? That's stupid. Dude, honestly, just stick it in there. Stick it in between it. Like, you don't even have to tape it. I swear to goodness, you don't have to tape it.
No, we're just gonna go like this.
It's like a party hat.
I'm afraid.
Alright,
Maybe we should stick all these in there.
No, why?
No, we're gonna use those with the big
Yeah, I
one.
want to do that, yeah. Alright, let me unbuckle the camera. Well, this is it. This is
It's gonna be bright right here.
this is the moment. Do not put that near me. Oh my god, dude.
Ready, Nick? It's gonna get crazy.
Well, it's gonna take a second first. We're gonna be waiting forever for that to get down there. Oh man. I feel like it's gonna be bad, but it might not be as bad as we think.
Oh, it's gonna be bad.
Yeah, it's gonna be bad. I'm backing up. I'm backing up.
Man.
I'm scared.
Dude, I'm afraid right now.
I'm not afraid.
I am.
Oh boy.
Dude, here we go. It's getting there. Are you ready?
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, here it is. It's the
Oh,
sun.
go drive. Drive. I can't see. I can't
What's
see.
just happened?
I can't.
Oh my god, there's people burning on it.
I can't see.
It's on fire.
It's on fire. I can't see,
It was on
dude.
fire, dude.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't even.
Dude.
Oh.
Dude,
Oh
it's
my
like
god. I
this thing.
can't see now.
It's like a collapsed sun. It's a supernova.
Oh god. Oh my god.
Look at that.
That's awesome.
Dude, that is
I think it's burning pretty fast too.
I'm afraid to drive fast, it'll tip over. Oh man. We're getting to the other ones.
Oh my gosh.
Oh man, it's the sun.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can barely look at it.
Oh, look at all the smoke it's doing.
I know.
Oh my god.
Look at the fire.
Oh my god. It's starting to die a little bit. I think. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, I think we're almost done. We're almost done. Oh, it's done. Well, guys, 2024 Independence Day extravaganza here at Backyard Living. We lit things on fire. We blew it up, celebrating freedom in the United States of America. Guys, join us next year.
You'll be bigger and better than
Bigger
ever next
and
year.
better. Over and out. And guys, before you turn it off, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.